Sledgehammer training. We're going to do the bent over row. So we're going to bend down. I'm going to show you the position first of the body, then I'm going to turn back and face the camera so that you can see how my arms are moving. So we're going to grab here like this. We're going to grab either at the 11 or we're going to be all the way out here. But first let's look at the position. So we have our feet shoulders width apart. Bend at the hip and the knee so that your stomach is resting on your thighs. You're down low, your chest is up, your head's up, so that you have an arched back. Okay, so there's our position. We'll move around here to the front. So here's our position. Now we're just going to bring it up to the chest and back down. Okay, now I'm going to slide my hand up here to the 11-inch mark. This makes the weight a little off balance, so I have to fight more with smaller muscle groups to maintain the balance of the weight. We'll switch over to the other hand. We'll start out here first, close to the hammerhead. Okay, then we're going to move the weight up here, be off balance. Okay, and the next thing we're going to do is we're going to do this, but we're going to do a single arm. So this hand's going to stay locked, and this one is going to bring it up until the hammerhead comes close to my upper arm, and then we're going to drop it back down. We're going to keep kind of a false grip on that, meaning I'm not going to grab the handle tight so that I can let my hand move as I'm bringing this up. And that is our bent over row with the sledgehammer.